Nakakanta yate. Guys, I have to show you something. It's so cute. Ta-da! Look. Isn't it cute or not? It's the Labubu. See? Oh my gosh. I don't know this Labubu is so expensive. 600 pesos. 600 pesos, only this one. But yeah, it's cute. Because it's a famous called this. Many people collect this one. Kaloka kayo. So I have one. So cute. Gonna put it on my bag. Lagay ko muna siya dito. Good night! Good night to Dong Ariel! Thank you so much sa pagbisita. Ay, sorry. Excuse me. Busog ako sa tubig. Very good night. Love you. Good night. Mamaya na ako matulog. Mamaya naman ako dito. Live na ako dito. Wala na. Antok na ako. Bahala kayo dyan. Oh, you did not give me like on my live. Why? Do you guys hate me? Why? I'm putting this on my face. Wala na. Nag-loading na naman. Wala na. This may tao na wala. Hi, Pildite! Pildite, mag-resign ka na. Mag-resign? Resign? Oh, yes! Maya ka na matulog.